With Black Friday around the corner, it's important for consumers to exercise caution and self-discipline. A lack of financial discipline can easily lead to financial woes, especially in these trying times. In preparation of Black Friday, try and avoid getting into financial distress by doing the following. 1, plan your budget and be honest with yourself about what you can afford. 2, do your research ahead of time on what the price of the goods are and determine if you are getting a good deal on Black Friday. 3, don't use debt or buy non-essential or luxury items on credit. Remember, credit incurs interest, which increases the cost of those goods. And 4, if you're tapping into long-term savings or emergency savings funds, this may suggest that perhaps you cannot afford to be spending this Black Friday. Often we are lured by the excitement, the appealing marketing, and are tempted to buy goods simply because we're told that they are on sale. However, we need to understand whether there has been a substantial reduction in the price of the items you want to buy. And the easiest way to determine if there has been a decrease is to track the price of those items over time. Don't be tempted to spend excessively. And if you have a list of what you want to buy and a budget, stick to it. In these very tough economic times, we need to be more prudent and stricter about our spending habits. Just because something is labeled cheap on Black Friday doesn't always mean that we must buy it.